Time to pack up your Pontos kayak. Start by unhooking the tensioning hooks. Next, unzip the top of the shell and remove the ridge pole from behind the seat. Unhook the seat from the top of the large cross support. Remove both the gray and the red tab to deflate the seat. Roll down from the top to get all the air out, then set aside. Next, remove the other ridge pole and slide the shell off of the sides of the frame to provide access to the cross supports. Remove the Velcro straps from the bottom connectors. To remove the connectors, grip the beam pole with your fingers and pop the connector off using both thumbs, starting on the side closest to you and working across. When only one connector remains, pull the support away to the side to release. Push up on the middle two connectors to fold the cross support in half, then remove the connectors off either end of the smallest tube section to fold your cross support neatly. Repeat this process for the remaining cross supports. Remove the beams and keel pole from the shell one by one. Then fold each one up individually. Keeping some space between each pole will prevent tangling and make your next assembly go much smoother. If you have to pack your kayak up while wet, set it out to dry when you get home or before storing for an extended period. Folding in the ends of your kayak shell will give you two straight edges for a neater roll as seen in the next step. Roll your kayak so that the cross supports are in the center, keeping your roll as tight as possible throughout. You can roll the seat into the shell or slide it into the bag separately, but do not pack it in direct contact with the poles. Tighten the compression straps to reduce size if needed. And you're ready to go.